In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude in VS Code step-by-step tutorial 2026. We'll set up the Claude extension inside Visual Studio Code and get you signed in so you can start using AI assistants directly in your editor. To begin, open Visual Studio Code. If you haven't updated in a while, it's a good idea to grab the latest version first so the extension installs smoothly. Inside VS Code, look to the activity bar on the left and open the extensions view. You can also press Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows and Linux or Command-Shift-X on Mac OS to get there quickly. In the search box at the top, type Claude. You're looking for the official extension from Anthropic, often listed as Claude Code. Check the publisher name to make sure it's the authentic one, then click Install. Give it a moment, download times vary depending on your connection, and let VS Code finish setting everything up. If you're prompted to reload the window, go ahead and do that. Once the extension is installed, you'll be asked to sign in. You can choose the login method that works best for you. The simplest option for most people is to use a Claude subscription. This integrates cleanly and just works, but keep in mind it requires a pro plan. If you already have that, sign in with your Claude account and you'll be connected in seconds. If you prefer a developer-oriented route, you can use the Anthropic console. Selecting this option will open a browser window where you'll be guided through the authorization process. Choose your Google account when prompted and click Authorize to grant access. When authorization completes, head back to VS Code. You should see a confirmation that you're signed in and ready to go. At this point, Claude is active in your editor. You'll typically find a chat or side panel labeled Claude, along with commands you can trigger from the command palette. You can ask questions about your codebase, request refactors, or generate tests right from the editor. For best results, provide a clear prompt. Include only the files or snippets you want Claude to consider, and mention any frameworks or versions that matter. If something doesn't respond as expected, try reloading the window or briefly disabling other AI extensions to avoid conflicts. That's it, installation, sign in, and you're ready to use Claude within VS Code. Enjoy faster iterations, smarter code reviews, and in-editor help exactly where you need it. If this was helpful, follow along for more practical, developer-focused tutorials.